Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, you're highly welcome. I make content about medical, fashion and lifestyle, and today is another episode of Natural Remedy. Today is going to be how to get your period back in 2 to 3 days with just one recipe. Let's get started. We'll be using fenugreek seed for this remedy. Fenugreek is a natural uterine stimulant which makes the uterus go through the motions of contracting and expanding, inducing menstruation. It can also help in POS. If you are battling with PCOS, this can help you because the seeds not only improve glucose control but also improve insulin resistance, which is the key of controlling PCOS. It may also help lower cholesterol and aid weight loss and promote healthy heart functioning. Like I said, take 3 teaspoons of fenugreek seed inside your cup or your dish or wherever you want to soak it. 1, 2, then the third one, 3. Then you're going to soak this inside 3 cups of water overnight. Don't forget, at least for 6 to 8 hours you're going to soak this, and you're going to take 1 cup in the morning, 1 cup in the afternoon and 1 cup at night. This is why we're soaking 3 teaspoons in 3 cups of water. Then you're going to drink this 3 times a day. You do this for at least 2 to 3 days, and after 3 days you will get your period back. Like I said, if you don't have any medical conditions that is preventing you from menstruation, you will get your period back in few days. I'm going to sieve it and just pour it inside my cup, and I'm going to take this. This will work effectively. Give it a try. I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.